8 common reasons why your car jerks while accelerating and how to fix it. If you ever notice that your vehicle jerks while you are accelerating, this is a problem that you shouldn't just ignore. A jerking vehicle is often a sign that your vehicle will develop some other problems if you don't address this right away. This feeling can be off-putting and difficult to handle while driving. To avoid a situation such as this, it's important to get to the bottom of what's going on. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide lucid explanations on issues related to cars and their essential component. I share helpful and professional tips to help you maintain your vehicle. Today, I will be talking about an essential and exciting topic: 8 common reasons why your car jerks while accelerating and how to fix it. This is where the most common reasons come into play. 1. Dirty fuel injectors. When fuel courses through the lines, it can leave the injectors dirty. This can begin to compromise how the injector functions, which has a noteworthy impact on acceleration. It can start to reduce the flow of the fuel, which leads to the jerking experience. 2. Dirty air filters. Air filters can become clogged or dirty after constant use. This is when the car begins to stutter and doesn't function the way it is supposed to. 3. Blocked catalytic converters. Catalytic converters can begin to break down through regular use. This includes blockages that have to be corrected by a qualified auto repair technician. It's possible to repair the catalytic converter or replace it depending on the situation. Once it is unclogged, the acceleration will become smoother. 4. Worn out spark plugs. Spark plugs can start to wear down, and these will have to be replaced to ensure there are no shortages in power throughout the vehicle. This can lead to the jerking experience when accelerating. 5. Damaged gas lines. In some cases, gas lines can become damaged. This impedes the fuel's flow through the vehicle, which compromises how the vehicle functions. These gas lines have to be fully repaired for them to work as intended. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to be the first to get notified when we drop a new video. 6. Damaged acceleration cables. There are specialized acceleration cables that help a vehicle accelerate. When they become damaged, it becomes difficult for the car to push as much as it can. This results in the jerking concern that happens when you accelerate. 7. Defective carburetors. Carburetors are responsible for supplying air and fuel to the engine. If this tends to stop working, the engine won't function as intended, and that reduces acceleration. This will have to be opened and repaired, or in some cases replaced. 8. Damaged cylinders. The last reason can be the cylinders becoming damaged. When they are damaged, the cylinders stop functioning as intended, and that causes the car to jerk. The best option is to repair the cylinders or change them. I appreciate your time to watch that interesting and educative video. I am sure you have got value. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to be the first to get notified when we drop a new video. Catch you all next time.